In this video, we will see how to effortlessly create multiple graphs from multiple datasheets using the new and improved Graph Maker introduced in version 2026. Here I have 4 sheets of data for crop yield. Let's start with one of the sheets. The data is for yield as a function of fertilizer, with other categorical data for irrigation, crop type, and farm. Let's go to the plot menu and launch Graph Maker. Let's keep the plot type as scatter. First, we drag and drop the numeric columns to X and Y. We will now assign the irrigation categorical column to group. You can see that the data has been split to 2 groups, drip irrigation and spray irrigation. Now we split the data into multiple panels using the farm categorical column. Let's share the X and Y scales across all panels. Now let's assign the remaining categorical column, crop, to pages. This will further split the data to show only data from one particular crop in each graph page. Let's also add linear regression lines to the data plots. We also turn on confidence bands and close the dialog. You can see that multiple graphs have been created, one for each crop type, and they are embedded in a report sheet in the same book as the data sheet. Note that the report sheet has a lock on top left. Let's click on that lock and select Change Parameters menu. This reopens the dialog with all of our previous settings in place. Let's add Pearson's R label for all plots in all panels of the graph. The embedded graphs in the report are all updated. Now let us open one of the graphs and make some changes. We first turn on background color for the page. Let's change the symbol type and size. Now let us close the graph and put it back into the report. You can see that the other graphs are not yet updated to the changes we made. Let's click on the Customize Graph, and in the mini toolbar that pops up, we use the last button to apply the graph style to all other graphs in this report. Now we have 3 other datasheets from which I need to create the same set of graphs with multiple pages and panels. In order to do that, we go back to the report sheet that already has the desired graphs, and we click outside of All Graphs. From the mini toolbar that pops up, we click on the third button to duplicate this report with data from other sheets. In the dialog that opens, we select all sheets in the current project folder. We can even arrange the order in which the sheets will be processed. Once we click OK, Origin will create all of the necessary graphs for all of those datasheets with the same categorical assignments and with the linear fit lines added. Now I can click on an individual report and send the graphs from just that report to PowerPoint or Word. But I want to send the graphs from all report sheets, all at once. Let's first open PowerPoint. I have prepared a file with 2 slides. There is an opening slide and an empty slide to be used for placing the graphs. Let me close the file and go back to Origin. In Origin, let's click the PowerPoint button from the toolbar docked on top. We first select all of the graphs. Let's sort the graphs in the order they were created. There is a total of 16 graphs. Shift-select All Graphs. All graphs are loaded in the dialog. You can then set desired margins. We can point to the PowerPoint file we had created for receiving the graphs. The graphs will be inserted starting from slide 2. You can see that all graphs have been inserted into PowerPoint where slide 2 was repeatedly used. Hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.